Beautiful double stitch. Welcome, and we have the card of the day, LeatherTeck by Upholstery technology. Let's dive in. And we have the card of the day. This is a 2023 Ford F150. It's a black wrap with a beige face. Let me check. Hiske. And that's what we're going to be installing. This is one of the seats. Obviously, it's the whole set. And I know it looks like crap, but we're going to make it look beautiful once the installation is being completed. And let's take a look at the toy. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These cloth seats get so dirty, so horrible. The stains are, Jesus, just look at that. And the smell is horrible. That's why people come to Upholstery technology to do their leather interiors, because not only they're affordable, they make a complete transformation in your interior. So you will see when we finish this installation how beautiful this truck looks. Actually, the reaction of the clients is, Elicio, it looks like a complete different vehicle. And yes, it becomes a different vehicle once we get our leather in it. So keep on following the next sequence of the videos. We're going to be talking about all this. And all this is done right here at Upholstery Technology in San Bernardino, California, 92408. Click in the link below if you want to make an inquiry about your interior. Subscribe for the YouTube watchers. And there you have it, is completed, the 2024 F150. Beautiful interior. Rear map pockets. Beautiful double stitch. And this is the level of craftsmanship right here at LeatherTeck by Upholstery technology. Visit us in San Bernardino, 703 South Gifford Avenue. Give us a call. Click in the link below. Make an inquiry. Change your ugly, stinky, uncomfortable cloth seats for a luxurious, comfortable leather seats. Like and subscribe.